In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Mailchimp. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer, a small business owner looking to expand your email outreach, or someone who's just curious about the platform, knowing how to navigate your way into Mailchimp efficiently is key to leveraging its full potential. So let's get right into it. First off, why Mailchimp? Well, it's a powerful, user-friendly marketing platform that has revolutionized the way businesses communicate with their clients. From email marketing to ad campaigns, it offers a variety of tools to help you connect with your audience. But before you can utilize any of these tools, you need to know how to access your Mailchimp account. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Mailchimp login page. You can easily find the login page by searching for Mailchimp login on your preferred browser, or simply typing login.mailchimp.com in your address bar. This brings you to the gateway where all the magic begins. The page is straightforward, emphasizing Mailchimp's user-friendly ethos right from the get-go. Once you're on the login page, you'll notice fields asking for your username or email and your password. It's here that you'll type in your username or the email address associated with your Mailchimp account. Remember, your email address is not just a way to log in, it's also how Mailchimp identifies your unique account among the millions of others. Therefore, ensuring you've entered the correct email address is crucial. If you've forgotten your username or the email tied to your account, don't worry. Mailchimp provides options to retrieve that information, ensuring you're never locked out of your account for long. Next up, you'll need to enter your password. Your password is the key to your Mailchimp kingdom. It protects your account and all the valuable data within it, so make sure it's something secure yet memorable to you. If you've forgotten your password, again, don't fret. There's a handy forgot password link right under the password field. Clicking this link will guide you through the process of resetting your password so you can regain access to your account. After entering your login credentials, the final step is to click on the Login button. This button is your bridge to the Mailchimp dashboard where all the features and functionalities of Mailchimp await you. It's blue and hard to miss, located right below the password field. This moment is where the anticipation builds because with a successful login, you're about to enter the vast world of Mailchimp. And that's it. You're now logged into your Mailchimp account. From here, the platform is yours to explore. Dive into creating email campaigns, setting up audience segments, or analyzing the results of your latest marketing efforts. Mailchimp's dashboard is designed to be intuitive, offering a smooth transition into whichever task you need to accomplish. Here's a couple of pro tips to enhance your Mailchimp experience further. First, consider enabling two-factor authentication for your account. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that you and only you have access to your account. Secondly, take some time to familiarize yourself with the Mailchimp dashboard. There's a wealth of resources and guides built right into the platform, designed to help you get the most out of your Mailchimp experience. In conclusion, accessing your Mailchimp account is the first step in unlocking the full potential of this powerful marketing platform. By following the straightforward steps we've covered today, you'll be able to smoothly log into your account and start making the most of everything Mailchimp has to offer. Whether it's crafting the perfect email campaign, analyzing your audience's behavior, or automating your marketing workflows, Mailchimp puts a suite of tools at your fingertips to help you grow your business and connect with your audience in meaningful ways. Remember, the world of digital marketing is always evolving, and Mailchimp is designed to evolve with it, providing you with the innovative tools you need to stay ahead. So log in and start exploring today. Happy marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.